Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Mac sound suddenly stop working. So if your Mac was playing audio normally but suddenly stopped producing sound, don't panic. This issue is commonly caused by audio output switching to another device, a temporary software glitch, or incorrect sound settings. In most cases, you can get the audio working again without making any major changes to your Mac. So to fix this issue, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now go to sound and here in output section, make sure the correct output device is selected. If necessary, switch back to your Mac built-in speakers. And next, check the volume output slider is turned up and your Mac is not muted. If the sound still does not return, disconnect any connected Bluetooth headphones, USB speakers, HDMI displays, or any other external audio devices, then test the built-in speakers again. And finally, restart your Mac, as a simple restart often fixes temporary audio issue. And one of the potential reasons that may cause Mac sound suddenly stop is maybe you have enabled detection. So basically detection is a feature that lets you speak the selected language and detection will write whatever you say in text. So when detection is enabled on your Mac, you can't hear any sound from your Mac or any external output microphone even if you play any music in the background. So it's always a good idea to check if detection is enabled on your Mac, and if that's enabled, make sure to disable it and everything will work normally. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.